guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today I have a very special unboxing because I'm going to be unboxing the Microsoft Surface Pro 6. So this bundle comes with the Microsoft Surface Pro 6, a Microsoft Surface Pro signature type cover, and the Microsoft Surface Pen. Talking about the Microsoft Surface Pro 6, the new Surface Pro 6 makes it easier to work and play virtually anywhere, which changes from a laptop to a tablet and can adapt to your needs. Whether you're a student, a creator, or if you need the Surface Pro 6 for your professional needs, the next generation Surface Pro 6 can help you take your ideas to the next level. The Surface Pro 6 is the 6th generation of Surface Pro, and it was released on October 16, 2018. Talking about the price, the Microsoft Surface 6 costs approximately around 70 to 73,000, whereas the signature type cover costs approximately around 15,000 and the Surface Pen costs approximately around 10,000. Now the Surface Pro 6 comes with an Intel Core 8th generation i5 or an i7 processor. The screen size is a 12.3-inch pixel-sized display, consists of an 8GB memory and a storage of 128GB or 256GB. Now the Surface Pro 6 has a 1.6 watt stereo speakers with Dolby Audio Premium. The all-new Surface Pro 6 helps you unplug and pack light, so you can be productive your way all day. Talking about the Surface Pen, you can write and draw naturally and create without any limits. The pen can precisely sketch and shade with 4096 pressure points that respond to the lightest of touch. It has a reduced lag or low latency, which means that the ink flows out in real time with no lag. You can use the Surface Pen with apps like OneNote, Microsoft Office, Detachable, Drawboard, and Staff Pad. The pen and the cover type is both compatible with the previous versions of the Surface Pro. The pen sticks to the Surface Pro itself with the help of magnets. Now the Microsoft Surface Pro 6 comes with a built-in kickstand and a type cover, so you can go from laptop to tablet to a portable studio. Wherever you are, the new Surface Pro 6 makes it easier to work. Talking about the style, the Surface Pro 6 is so light that you can carry it around. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, my YouTube channel is going pretty well. I mean, I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I'm actually happy with the amount of subscribers that I have, and my views are constant. And I will see you guys in my next video.